we'll guide you through how to make dash line Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Photopea website in Google Chrome. Before continuing, double-click the Google Chrome shortcut to launch the browser. Hover your cursor over the search bar and tap it, then type Photopea into the field. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Once the search is complete, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏. You will then be redirected to the Photopea homepage. Then, click the New Project option. Select an available template, or choose one that best matches your project. You can also adjust the canvas size to your liking before starting. Set the background color to white so you have a clean workspace. Click the Create button to start editing. Press Ctrl+0 to highlight the canvas and fit it properly within the workspace. Look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Use the brush tool in the toolbar menu and prepare it for drawing. Change the custom brush to this box, then make the shape look like this. Look at the top of the Layers panel. Next to the History table, find the Brush Settings. Click to open the settings. To create a dash line using a brush, you need to adjust the settings here. Increase the spacing value. In this example, using the maximum value. As you increase the spacing value, pay attention to the preview below. If you feel it is sufficient and meets your needs, close the Brush Settings panel. On the canvas, click and hold. Then also hold Shift on the keyboard. Then drag sideways to create a straight dash line. For vertical or diagonal lines, you need to adjust the angle of your brush. Keep experimenting and varying it until you achieve the appearance you want for different directions and designs. And now you have learned how to make a dash line in Photopea successfully today. This simple technique helps create clean dashed lines for many projects and creative tasks.